Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and I'm just going to jump right in here because honestly I wasn't even expecting to turn this into a video. I was just doing a test tile, and I figured, well, while I'm doing this I might as well just share it with you guys. So what I'm going to be doing here is showing you a test tile I'm making with the same color combination, only I'm reversing the cell activator from one side to the other. And it's a really good illustration of point, and I thought it was worth sharing with you the difference layering the cell activator makes with the outcome you're going to get. And I'm also voicing over this because I have music playing in the background that I can't play on a video I upload to YouTube. So that's why I'm talking through the whole thing. So the whole idea here for this test tile is that I'm going to be making a tray that I'm going to resin, and I'm trying out this color palette. And what I've got going down first is the Chantilly Lace and Golden combination. This is a goodie palette that I use. That is my Golden's Nickelazzo Gold with a little bit of burnt sienna. This is Arteza's Prussian Blue. And then I'm going to be going to my 24 karat gold, and also then after that the Golden's Iridescent Bronze. But the point I'm illustrating here is to show you the difference between how layering the black on top of the white or the white on top of the black makes a big difference in the way your composition blows out. And I'm also going to pick up the pace here. So I'll be quiet for right now as I continue layering the colors down. So as you can see, I laid the white down first, then the black. And the cell activator wasn't moving for me. And this is the Australian Floetrol cell activator. So I think it's too thick. So for the point of this experiment, I just used the straw to blow it out. So now, I'm gonna see that result in a minute. And then we're gonna skip ahead and get to layering down the other one. So as you saw, that was the black first down, then the white, and again, I couldn't get the cell activator to move very well. So no big deal, I'm just blowing it out with a straw just to illustrate the difference in how the cell activator affects the composition in the end. And also, it's very important to do a test tile just so you see that your components are going to work properly. I had realized that obviously that the cell activator was too thick and not flowing very well, so the next day I did thin it down before I went to work on the tray. So I am going to skip ahead here and delete out all the spreading the pillow paint across the tile. So in here I also, part of the test tile was debating whether I go with a single bloom or a double bloom for my tray. And because of the way this leaves the gap between the two blooms, I decided for the tray I'm going to go with a single bloom. And I'm going to cut out some of this stuff where I'm just embellishing in the middle. All I'm trying to do here is see if I can make the two pieces look like they kind of go together, you know, flow together. But I didn't do very well. But I'm gonna cut this part out because it's not my point that I'm trying to illustrate here. So here you can see for yourself, using the same color palette, the order of cell activator makes a huge difference in the outcome. The first color down for cell activator and for your paints will end up in the middle of the composition. So it's important to know because the color sequence you lay down for your tile will be affected by the cell activator. Obviously, we showed that. So depending on what you want to do, you may want to have your either cell activator contrast with the colors down or go with the colors down. It's your choice. But it's important to know the effects that it has so you can have control over your composition. So I hope this illustrated the point I was trying to make. I hope you enjoyed the video, take away something from it, and we'll see you again next time.